Nice brown, folks. Cold winter day. There we are. A big brown of the year. 23 inches. Woo! You gotta help me. Hook up bait, brown and gold, folks. Under that beaver dam again, dude. They're sitting under there. 16th ounce chub. Another good brown. Having a day. Hook up baits. It's a good one, folks. It's a good one. Sixteenth ounce brown and gold seems to be the magic today. Get out of the rocks. Just felt him thunk a big rock. Need to get off this rock probably. Woo! Oh shit. Oh. Okay, another fine brown on the 1/16th. Brown and gold hookup, folks. Yeah. Yeah.